This training video is brought to you by K-Alliance. K-Alliance provides high-quality instructor-led training videos for desktop, IT, and soft skills. Visit us online at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new. Real videos, real learning, real success.
So we want to take a moment to go back to the enterprise search configuration and look a little bit more specifically at some of the end user experience elements. So let's go ahead and bring up our search administration page again. This is where we just were a moment ago. And we know that we can configure much of the infrastructure of search, like our content sources and our crawl rules and our file types and so on. But let me go ahead and scroll down here, and on the left side you'll see queries and results. This is the section where you will find elements that you can configure that will affect the end user experience. So for instance, authoritative pages. Okay, this is where I could type in any web pages that I would consider the most authoritative, second level authoritative, and third level authoritative. Or I could actually also define some that I just demote. Certain content can be ranked lower than all of the other sites. So we decide, and this has an impact on the algorithm in terms of search results. So how close are you to the website that contains certain keywords in your search? How close is it to an authoritative site in terms of link distance and so on? So that would be one example, but there's other things. We can take a look at our results sources, our query rules, our query client types. We can even define our search schema in here. So as I click in here, we can talk about our managed properties, our crawled properties, our categories. And so in here we can create managed properties. And we can map them to properties that have been crawled or discovered. So crawled properties are automatically extracted from crawled content. But managed properties, we can restrict search results. So we want to present the content of the properties in search results in such a way, and maybe change the properties to take effect after the next crawl. So you can see a number of different words and properties in here that are already set up to be managed properties, and those have an effect on where things show up, what kind of operations we can perform on them. So there's a number of different query suggestions, enable or disable them, import them, lots of different elements that we discussed, and this is where you go to configure and work with them, and they all have an impact on the end user experience that they're having when they're performing their queries.
We hope you enjoyed this preview video. Please click on the like button below if you did, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to visit us at www.kalliance.com to sign up for your free 7-day trial today. You could learn a lot in a week.